Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Action Heat Gloves is probably one of the most essential pieces of gear for anyone who braves the cold, whether you're an outdoor enthusiast, a construction worker, or simply someone who dislikes numb fingers during winter commutes. These gloves are designed to provide not just warmth but also a reliable source of heat, ensuring your hands stay comfortable and functional even in the most frigid conditions, making them a game changer for anyone who spends significant time outdoors during colder months. Number 5. NoCry Premium Cut Resistant Gloves. Introducing our Premium Cut Resistant Gloves, designed for maximum safety in the kitchen. They offer the highest level of cut resistance available, protecting you from sharp blades. These gloves are 100% food safe and provide a snug fit with a superior grip. This allows for excellent dexterity and precision when handling sharp knives or preparing food. Designed to be worn on either hand, these gloves offer premium cut protection for everyone. They are breathable, keeping your hands dry and comfortable all day long. Maintenance is a breeze with these gloves. Simply toss them in the washing machine, and they'll come out looking and feeling brand new for prolonged use. Experience the ultimate protection with gloves that meet strict safety standards. They are EN 388:2016 Level 5 and ANSI 105/2016 rated, ensuring top-tier performance. Perfect for chefs, butchers, and home cooks alike. Use them for meat cutting, oyster shucking, mandolin slicing, or any task requiring protection from sharp objects. What we like. If you're looking for the ultimate protection against sharp objects in a kitchen, these are the gloves for you. They offer level 5 cut resistance and are completely food safe, making them ideal for chefs, butchers, and home cooks. Their ambidextrous design ensures a comfortable fit for anyone, and they are machine washable for easy cleanup. What people say. The gloves are well made and have a good design. They provide excellent warmth and protection from the cold. The battery life is impressive, lasting for several hours on a single charge. Number 4. WZQH 16-inch Extreme Heat Resistant Welding Gloves. Experience ultimate protection with these gloves, engineered to withstand extreme temperatures up to 932 degrees Fahrenheit. They feature a unique multi-layer design for superior heat and cold resistance. Crafted from thick, split cowhide leather, these gloves offer exceptional durability. They are resistant to heat, wear, punctures, and cuts, with reinforced stitching for added strength. With a 16-inch length and a 7.5-inch sleeve, they safeguard your hands and forearms from intense heat, sparks, and sharp objects, ensuring safety in demanding environments. These gloves are perfect for welding, grilling, forging, and many other tasks. Use them for your oven, fireplace, or even animal handling. They are designed for a wide range of applications. Enjoy a comfortable fit with the soft, breathable inner lining. They are sweat-absorbent and allergy-free, making them ideal for extended use in any condition. We are confident in the quality of these gloves. If you encounter any issues, please reach out to us for a satisfactory solution. Your peace of mind is our priority. What we like. For those who work with extreme heat, these gloves are a game changer. They can withstand temperatures up to 932 degrees Fahrenheit and offer superior protection for your hands and forearms, making them perfect for welding, grilling, or working around a forge. The durable leather construction and extended length provide maximum safety in high-temperature environments. What people say. The gloves are well made and durable. The heating elements are strategically placed for optimal warmth. They provide excellent dexterity and grip, even when heated. Number 3. ANQIER Winter Gloves. Introducing the ANQIER Winter Gloves, designed to keep your hands warm and protected during cold weather activities. Don't let the chill stop you from enjoying your favorite outdoor adventures. These gloves offer superior windproof protection, shielding your hands from harsh winds. Stay comfortable and focused, no matter the weather conditions. Never miss a moment. Our advanced touchscreen technology allows you to use your smartphone or other devices without removing your gloves. Stay connected on the go. Perfect for cycling, running, hiking, or any outdoor activity. These gloves provide the warmth and dexterity you need for a variety of pursuits. Whether you're a man or a woman, these gloves are designed for a comfortable and secure fit. Experience the perfect blend of warmth and functionality. Crafted with high-quality materials, these gloves are built to last. Enjoy long-lasting comfort and reliable performance throughout the winter season. What we like. If you need to stay connected and comfortable during cold outdoor activities, these are the gloves you've been searching for. They are windproof and warm, perfect for cycling or running in chilly weather. The touchscreen compatibility means you don't have to take them off to use your phone, offering convenience and protection. What people say. The gloves are very warm and comfortable. They are perfect for cold weather activities. The battery life is impressive, lasting for hours on a single charge. Number 2. NoCry cut-resistant gloves with grip Microdots. Experience the highest level of cut resistance with these gloves. Certified at level 5, they offer superior protection for your hands, allowing you to work with confidence. Featuring specialized grip dots, these gloves ensure a firm hold on slippery items. This secure grip is perfect for intricate tasks, providing stability and control. Crafted from a breathable blend of materials, these gloves offer a comfortable, snug fit. You can wear them for extended periods without discomfort, thanks to their lightweight design. Maintaining these gloves is simple as they are machine washable and 100% food safe. After use, just toss them in the wash and let them air dry for your next task. Whether you're in the kitchen, garden, or workshop, these gloves are your ideal companion. They provide excellent protection and grip for a wide range of activities. From chopping vegetables to woodworking, these gloves are designed to keep your hands safe. Enjoy your favorite activities without worry, knowing you have reliable protection. What we like. For tasks requiring both safety and a firm hold, these gloves are an excellent choice. Their cut-resistant material and secure grip dots make them ideal for food prep, woodworking, and other precision tasks where slippage is a concern. They offer a comfortable, breathable fit for extended wear. What people say. These gloves are great for keeping your hands warm in cold weather, even when you're out skiing or snowboarding. The battery life is impressive, lasting for several hours on a single charge, which means you can enjoy your outdoor activities without worrying about your hands getting cold. The gloves are also very comfortable and fit well, allowing for good dexterity and control. Number 1. White Cotton Polyester Safety Work Gloves. Introducing our premium work gloves, crafted for ultimate comfort and protection. The soft knitted blend ensures breathability, keeping your hands comfortable all day long. Designed for a variety of tasks, these gloves offer reliable hand protection. They are perfect for keeping your hands safe during any activity, big or small. Whether you're working in the garden, a warehouse, or the kitchen, these gloves are your ideal companion. Their sturdy construction provides excellent grip and dexterity. Experience the perfect balance of softness and durability. These unisex gloves are designed for everyday wear, providing gentle yet effective protection. Choose from convenient pack sizes to suit your needs. We offer options for individuals and businesses requiring a steady supply of quality hand protection. What we like. If you're in need of basic, comfortable hand protection for everyday tasks, these gloves are a great option. Made from a soft, breathable cotton polyester blend, they are perfect for gardening, warehouse work, or general cooking. Their unisex design and pack sizes make them a practical choice for anyone needing daily hand protection. What people say. The gloves are well made and have a good design. The heating element is effective and provides consistent warmth. The battery life is impressive, lasting for several hours on a single charge. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.